Silence forms before movement, letting the air settle without urgency. Light appears in fragments, sliding across quiet surfaces and resting without demand. Nature rearranges itself with slow intention. Leaves respond to the slightest wind, shifting only when they choose. Colors deepen as shadows soften. Rivers carve through valleys with patient, continuous motion, shaping patterns without sound. The mind recognizes balance through pace. Animals wander carefully, unbothered by time. Their steps are controlled and peaceful, their attention steady and relaxed. Mountains remain motionless in distant frames, offering structure to the horizon. Grass sways with rhythm, bending and returning without resistance. Flowers open with intricate gradients, revealing soft transitions from one tone into the next. Fog drifts across cold surfaces, smoothing detail and slowing thought. The world breathes in quiet intervals. Nothing pulls or rushes. Everything holds steady. Water collects light and releases it through shimmering reflections. Stones remain firm beneath gentle currents, resisting interruption. Trees form natural corridors that carry air and shadow. Clouds move without boundaries, blending into delicate layers. Scene after scene expands into new details, each offering calm through repetition. Paths stretch into forests, lined with moss and soft soil. Animals pause beside rivers, ears alert but relaxed. The connection between motion and stillness becomes more visible. Wind eases through branches, creating a low texture that settles the senses. Space opens wider than sound. Mountains lift skyward with measured symmetry, their peaks covered in snow that refuses to melt quickly. Light slides across ridges in slow gradients. Waterfalls descend with smooth momentum, sending mist into the air like a soft veil. Valleys remain green and full. Rivers travel toward the ocean, crossing rocks and roots without conflict. The environment holds patience in every direction. Time stretches, and tension dissolves into open landscapes. Every scene unfolds at a pace that invites quiet attention. Nothing interrupts, nothing demands anything. Animals continue exploring, guided by instinct without stress. Their breath is steady and warm. Their movement is efficient but gentle. Layers of light change across fields and hills. The sky opens wider. Air cools around lakes and ponds. Water remains calm places to rest. Water reduces its motion to minimal ripples. Trees hold their form against cooler wind. Night breathes slowly across landscapes. Nothing breaks the stillness. Dawn returns with softer tones. Light lifts slowly from the horizon. Colors shift from blue to pale gold. Forests awaken gradually. Rivers regain shimmer. Air warms in tiny steps. The world continues its rhythm without pause.